Hello everyone, Namaste and Salam Alaikum. Hi, this is Maria Khan, your master teacher of biology here at Vedantu. And students, today I have brought in this amazing session which is going to be super helpful for you for your term 1 examinations. Yes, guys. So today's session is all about strategies to approach diagram based MCQs. Yes, kids. So without wasting any further time, let's actually begin with the session. But prior to that, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to post me here in the chats. Chalo, let's get started. So, students, when we talk about strategies to approach diagram based questions, we need to actually understand what are the type of questions that they ask us. That's one thing. Secondly, we need to actually ensure how many diagrams are there in our syllabus and what kind of questions could be framed based on that particular diagram. So over here, as you can see that there's a diagram of the human digestive system, basically alimentary canal and digestive glands are there. And then they have asked you to just identify the labeled parts. Okay. So a labeled part as the gastric gland. So this is what somewhat the question is. Now, Bacho, for this, let us understand the anatomy of an MCQ. Like any question, let's understand the anatomy. So, Bacha, every MCQ will first have a stem or what we call it as the main question. Okay, so that's the main question. Okay, then second, there will be always some kind of distracting elements, like you have multiple options to choose from, right? So those multiple incorrect choices options are your distracting elements. And thirdly, there will be the final answer, which is the fruit. That's the answer, right? So every question has three parts: question, distractor, and the answer. है ना? So we need to actually identify and pick up the correct answer so that we get 1 marks. But you know what? The best thing of this MCQ based examination pattern is you don't need to mug up all those big answers. You can actually pick up the correct answer and you get the marks. But if you answer it incorrectly, it's either 1 if you answer it right, 1 if you answer it incorrectly, it's 0. There's 1 or 0. There's no other alternative, right? So bacha, let us encash this opportunity because your batch is the luckiest batch which will be like attempting this kind of examination. Okay, so I'll be providing you certain tips how to go ahead with this diagram based questions. But prior to that, let me tell you guys, the NTSC results are out. Okay, NTSC stage 1 as well as stage 2, and I really feel very proud that more than 100 Vedans have been selected in this NTSC stage 2. They have cleared this NTSC stage 2. So बच्चों, 100 बात की एक बात, Vedantu is not only emphasizing on the board's performance but of course on other competitive examinations as well. Okay, so if you want to be one of those, enroll with us ASAP and don't forget to apply my coupon code. And what's my coupon code? That's MAC Pro. Okay, with my coupon code you get additional 10% discount. Chalo, we'll talk about it after a while. Okay, but let's talk about the tips. So the first tip is make a list of diagrams. Now kids, I know that you're not going to open up the textbook and keep on noting down which are the diagrams and which are not the diagrams. So bacha, here we have only one chapter for term 1, that is life processes, right? That's chapter number 6. Now bacho, here there are two type of diagrams. One, the actual concept based diagrams, and second one are the diagrams related to your activities, experiments, experimental setups. You need to be thorough with both the stuffs. Okay, why I tell you, like because the actual diagrams that you have in your textbook, whether it's alimentary canal or whether it is about the uh, uh, human excretory system or the structure of the heart, okay, these are typical diagrams that you have in your book, TS of leaf. But besides that, there are so many diagrams which also help you to understand the concepts better, like dialysis. There's a procedure of dialysis, then there are certain experimental setups, so they might even ask you certain case based questions on those experiments, or they might actually give you the experimental setup and ask you what is that which is placed inside the beaker or whatever may be the thing. So you need to be aware with both kind of diagrams. conceptual diagrams, experimental setup diagrams. Okay, you need to be thorough with both of them. So here I have already listed down 15 diagrams which are a part of this chapter. Huge, isn't it? Yes. You may like thank me later on in the comments कि मैम अच्छा हुआ आपने list दे दिया, but ensure that you are thorough with this 15 diagrams. Okay, that's tip number 1. Then बच्चों tip number 2, observe the diagram carefully. Each and every diagram that is there in the book, observe it carefully. Okay, now when I say you need to observe it carefully, see each and every part. Okay, and identify कि कौन सा part कहाँ से जा रहा है, where it is connecting, what is its function, purpose, everything. Basically first observe the diagram carefully. If you are that enthusiastic कि you can have a notebook handy and you are trying to sketch out those diagrams, well and good. But if not, at least observe the diagram carefully. That's first point. Okay. Second point, identify each and every part. Now over here बच्चों, there are 3 parts which are represented. One, here capillaries in the lungs. Second, the heart. Okay, and the third, capillaries in various body organs, body parts, right? So बच्चों, identify various parts. Then there are numerous blood vessels over here: aorta, artery, vena cava, and then 4 parts of the heart, each chamber of the heart, and then there's pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein. So बच्चों, identify each and every part. And when I say identify each and every part, spellings are also very important. Now for example, stationary, NERY and NARY. Now when I say plants are stationary, it's NARY. Plant is not a stationary. Okay, so yes, of course spellings also make a huge difference, and they can just bombard you with incorrect spellings in the options, and you might just end up picking the incorrect option. So please pay attention at the spellings also. Okay, and the next, learn the functions of each part. Now if in this particular diagram of double circulation, so right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood, the left side of the heart receives oxygenated blood. Pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation. The oxygenated blood is brought in by the pulmonary veins, right? So try to memorize, understand, and learn the functions of each of these parts. Okay, so in the examination they might ask you certain questions like there is a part given as maybe X, identify its correct function. So there are options. It supplies oxygenated blood to all parts of the body, it supplies deoxygenated blood to the heart, it carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs, it carries oxygenated blood back to the heart. So bachcho, we know that it carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation, right? That's the pulmonary artery. So yes bachcho, clearly you need to understand the function of each and every part of the diagram. Okay, because this time you don't need to ratify the big answers, but you need to actually have better conceptual understanding of the concept. Okay, so now let us actually move ahead and understand what are the type of questions which can be asked based on the diagram. So first of all, the direct ones, select the correct labeling. Okay, so here they have asked you to pick up the correct label, gastric gland. तो भाई gastric gland कौन सा है? This part A is nothing but esophagus, and B has the gastric glands, C is the pancreas, and D is the large intestine, right? So बच्चों, the correct answer is C over here. Am I correct? That's the gastric gland. Yeah. So now direct question, they can ask you to identify a given part, or they might ask you to select the incorrect label, pick up the incorrectly labeled part. For example, they are saying A is esophagus, is it right? Yes, it's right. B is stomach or maybe gastric gland, yes, that's also correct. Okay, C is pancreas, is that correct? C, yes, C is pancreas, that is also correct. D is small intestine, is it? No, D is large intestine. So they might ask you to just pick up this kind of questions. Okay, I mean, pick up the incorrect label or the correct label, that kind of question. Then they might give you a particular part. For example, I told you pulmonary artery and identify its function. Like over here, they have given the diagram, name the structure marked as X. So what is this X? And mention the function of this structure. Okay. So kids, you will say, ma'am, this is the super duper easy one. They will give you multiple options. Okay. For example, if they ask you, okay, it's stomata. Okay. B, they might give you epidermal cells. Okay. C, they might give you xylem. And D, they might give you phloem. Okay. And then they might give you even the column B of function. Okay. तो यहाँ पे structure है, this column would be of function, and then they might give you just function कि it could be like gaseous exchange, or it can be transportation of water, transportation of food, storage of food, something like that. Okay, so you need to pick up कि भाई stomata है and the function is gaseous exchange. So you need to pick up that pair and then answer it. They may even ask you to pick up that kind of pair. Okay, but it would be basically based on the diagram. So yes, it could be that way. And then which activity is illustrated in the diagram? So again, they might give you options. For example, ingestion. Okay, digestion, absorption, okay, or fourth, assimilation. Okay, and here if they ask you in first figure A, so here of course it's ingestion. If they ask you over here, of course it's digestion, है ना? So they will give you कि what is going on in A, what is going on in B. So you might need to actually explain कि what is going on in that particular process. So you need to identify the process. Basically the process over here is phagocytosis, है ना? It is engulfing, and then the 5 steps of deriving nutrition take place: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion, right? So yeah, that's it. And then the next variety of question that you may expect: identify the diagram. What is this diagram, bachcho? It can be very simple, like respiratory system, excretory system, nervous system, circulatory system. So of course this is the diagram of respiratory system. Okay, and identify correctly the parts labeled PSU in the figure below. Okay, PSU. So they might give like pharynx, trachea, and bronchi, or they may give you larynx, trachea, bronchi, or they may give you nostrils, trachea, bronchi, or they might give you just confusing options. You need to pick up the correct option. Simple. Okay, and yeah, so kids, in my upcoming sessions, stay with me right till the end, so that I will come up with certain MCQs based on the diagrams, certain MCQs based on the activities, and I'll ensure that I incorporate all kind of diagram based questions which are discussed in this session. And then if you remember, at the start of the session I told you about our NTC result. So you all are currently appearing for your class 10, right? So students who are currently in class 10 or who have cleared their class 10, they may appear for NTSC. Now NTSC paper is divided into two parts, MAT and SAT. So students, if I talk about MAT, it's mental ability test. Rest all other subjects fall under SAT, scholastic aptitude test. So bachcho, there are two examinations basically, stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 1 is aligned with your state board curriculum, stage 2 is aligned with NCERT syllabus. So here at Vedantu we have designed an exclusive NTSC course, okay, NTSC crash course, that too crash course. So bachcho, NTSC stage 1, I like NTSC stage 2, I told you कि there are more than 100 selections. NTSC stage 2, 139 selections. So बच्चों, this is a huge number, है ना? तो students, if you are actually keen in enrolling for this NTSC, appearing for this NTSC, because when you appear for NTSC na, you can avail scholarship of up to 1250 in your grade 11 and 9, in your grade 11 and 12. Okay, for 2 years you attain the scholarship of 1250 per month. Okay, and then if I talk about your graduation, uh, post graduation, that time you earn a scholarship of rupee 2000 per month. So bachcho, sponsoring your education, funding your education is very important. Like if you talk about me, if you ask me ki ma'am, how did you manage your college? So when I was in class 10, my dad got retired, and majority of my educational fees I tried to manage through various scholarships. So, Bacho, today I am here, right here in front of you, as a master teacher of biology, because I sponsored my education through various scholarships. So, if I can, you all can also make use of such kind of examinations to fund your education, to lower down the burden of your parents, right? So, here at Vedantu, we provide you 60 plus hours of live classes. We cover entire syllabus of stage 1 and stage 2. Of course, for stage 1, there are selective handpicked topics which are common for most of the states. And then stage 2, though, no disputes at all because it's aligned with your NCRT. When you appear for 50 plus chapter wise test and 14 plus mock test, you are actually becoming exam ready. You become pro at identifying and picking up the correct answers. Okay. And then if you miss certain sessions, you can also watch the recordings. And if you have a doubt, you can also ensure that your doubts get resolved through the doubt solving app. So bachcho, all these things are available at 50% discount. But I have a good news, that if you apply my coupon code, that is MACPRO, MAKPRO, MACPRO, you get additional 10% discount, means total 60% discount. That's a huge discount, है ना? तो बच्चों, first of all, one of a kind of course we are providing you. Secondly, on top of that, this overall 60% discount, okay, entire syllabus is covered, plus there's unlimited in-class doubt solving. When we are teaching you, you can keep on posting your doubts pertaining to that topic and they will all get resolved. Okay, and then you can also use our doubt solving app to clear your doubts outside the class. Okay, and NTSC के कई सारे papers है. We have a question bank. So from the question repository, you can actually get in-depth solutions of each of the question. And then we provide you summary through concept maps, mind maps, table, comparative analysis, so many things. So but you grab the deal now. Don't lose on to this opportunity. Okay. Let me tell you how you can ensure that you get this discount. Okay. So students, here if I take you, this is one of my YouTube videos. Okay. On life processes, as you can see, if I scroll it further down, okay, see there's a link, there's a link in the comment section, pinned comment. So I click on it and it diverts me to this website where the grade 10 CBSE 2022 has been selected. I will change it. Okay, so when we change it, you select NTSC 2021 crash course. Okay, and then you scroll it further down. So there are two plans to choose from. The basic plan, that's the Pro Lite, all the basic features. But then if you need doubt solving outside the class, you can choose a Pro Classic one. Okay, I'll say that Pro Lite is more than enough. Okay, and as I said, with my coupon code, that is Mac Pro, you get additional 10% discount. So you get the entire course, entire crash course. I'm not talking about 1 month, I'm talking about entire course. You avail at 4050 only. So bachcho, this is an amazing deal. Grab the deal now. And plus, if you want a doubt solving app, you don't need to pay too much extra. You can avail the same thing. Okay, you can avail the same thing at 4500. Okay, so bachcho, I will say ki grab the deal now. Okay, select Pro Lite, click on buy complete course. Okay, and here you will see that my coupon code, that is MacPro, has been applied and you can purchase, okay, at 4050 only. So yeah, students, so for more such guidance sessions, okay, stay tuned And what else should I say? तो बच्चों, don't forget to apply my coupon code. That is what I could say. That's Mac Pro. It gives you additional 10% discount. And that's it, bachcho. Thank you so much for being with me right till the end of the session. Let's meet in the next session with more such amazing questions. So yeah, kids, that's it for the day. If you found this session to be useful, hit on the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon, and keep on posting me regarding what kind of sessions do you expect from me in the comment section. You can reach out to me on my mail